Hey, what's up everybody? I am working on my truck today. I'm doing the upper control arm. I did the other side, and if you feel like your tire's falling off, well, best believe it might almost. Look at this. I mean, that shouldn't even be able to move with your finger. It should be like, oh, not even. You probably gotta hit it with a little hammer. I just kept hearing cling, 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 cling. And when I'm turning, I'm hearing like if I'm leaving with screeching the tires. But this is just no good. So we're gonna go ahead and get on this one right here, which is not that hard. Get the bolt under here off. Hammer it with the, I got a fork that'll get in there and take that off. Take this 10 off that goes to the brake line here. Get this out of the way. We got screw, or well, take off this bolt, and it should come off. This is gonna move around, so you're gonna have to hold it with something. See, here's the new one. You see that just doesn't move at all. And that's what we need to fix today. My tires are going down fast. And then I need to get in alignment. We got the tie rods in. I've got this new shock in here. We've got this in. Idler arm. The other side is the pitman arm, which I got in. And yeah, I think all I have left, I'll do this link here I got. And this. Start with taking this off. See? Got that off. Move this out the way. I don't care. We got zip ties. Actually, probably best to unplug it so you can have it out of your way. That'll make it easier. And on these inner bolts, 13, 16, I'll use a double ratchet. And look at that. Look how easy. I mean, that's not tight. So I'll loosen both sides. I probably don't even need a double ratchet. Look at that. Easy enough. I'm paying attention to where these are because I'm going to try to make them be the same. So this bottom one is a 19, which all these parts are pretty on, not so tight. It's harder to get the tire off than getting these bolts off. I remember in music class, the teacher would hit something like that, and you go around listening to that ding. Do you see how easy that was? Alright, so I had a bungee cord, and all I needed to do is just stay right there for like 1 minute for me to be able to take out this upper control arm and put in the new one real quick. Okay, so now this comes out just like that, and look, same broken. No wonder my tires are no good. Get this bad boy in here. Okay, so I just grabbed my hammer, hammered the mounts in. Boom, now we got that part going. And you can see it's not, seems like it's just right there, ready to go. And pretty much is. Alright, so we got all the bolts in. Just loose still. I'm gonna start with tightening this one first. I gotta get a fitting for this so we can put some grease in there. There's probably no grease in there. We gotta fill that up when we're done. Move that old stuff out the way. And I'll have everything here tightened up. I'm gonna start with this one. You know, this is a big truck. there was a time where I thought maybe this isn't for me. Maybe I can't do this. How long will I be hammering to take this off? Or will I have to give up? Will I have to take an Uber to work? But actually, this is very easy stuff. And all you need is a little helping hand, like a video, to get you started. Sometimes you don't even need to finish watching it. Just need a good idea on how to get started and maybe what to do sometimes. Put this sucker in there and push. Don't let anything disencourage you. You know what? It wasn't that hard. You can do it too. Like and subscribe, everybody.